In this section, we're going to be covering CSS, what it is, how to use it, how to apply it to your HTML. So what exactly is CSS? CSS essentially can transform a website like this into something like this, adding in colors, styling, and really representing what the website can look like. And we can potentially change any one of these CSS attributes or properties, values, and have it look entirely different. And this is the really neat thing about CSS is if we want to make our fonts bigger, we could really easily make fonts bigger and so on. We can change the font sizes and we can change background colors. So if we want to, whenever a hyperlink is hovered over, we can change it to be blue and so on. So a lot of different options that are available to us when it comes to CSS, and we're going to be covering how to apply CSS into our web projects within this section. So how to add colors, how to update your backgrounds, even how to add different fonts and change the look and feel of your website via updating your fonts. So pseudo classes. So I'll give you an example as well of what can really be done with fonts. So I brought a font here in as a whole. So if I take that font and if I just remove it, we can see that this entirely gets a different feel to our website. So fonts are also very important within your web design projects because they really help illustrate how you want your web content being presented. So box model, how every element has padding around it, margins, borders, and so on. How we can create a navigation bar, so something like this. So we transform some HTML list items into a navigation bar. Also how we can update overflow, positioning of elements, and even just tweaking and updating, and also how we can make it fully responsive. So that just basically means that depending on the size of the screen, our web page can actually look different. And this is all done through media queries, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to apply those into your web pages. So HTML and CSS, overall summary of it, and also it's important to note that the source code is included, so you can open up something like CodePen, copy and paste it in, and try it out for yourself and see what you can make happen with CSS. So all of this is coming up in this section.